Hi everybody, I wanted to do a little overview of what SeeSaw looks like before I just tossed you in there. The kids do have familiarity with this website. They've used it in library time and they know how to use almost all the tools, so shouldn't be too much of a learning curve for them, but you on the other hand, it might be. I do think some of the things are a little bit confusing or overwhelming at times, so please bear with me. I'm sure that the kiddos will pick it up really quick and you will too. This is what the website looks like when you first type it in or when you look it up. You're going to click on sign up for free. Then after that, you're going to hit I'm a student. Yours won't show this. Then you're going to get to type in that text code I sent you. After that, it should lead you to another page. I'm not quite sure what that looks like, though, after that. Eventually, you'll get to the screen I'm going to show you. Okay, so when you log in, you'll see this. Right here's our journal. So in the journal, it shows responses. So here you can see I made a post to my own activity. And then I'll have a chance, to comment and maybe send it back for revisions if they didn't quite understand the activity. So let's go back into the activities now. So here are the activities. Each week I'm going to try to post all of them at once. I know some of you have a really flexible schedule where you can complete these in 5 days, and I know some of you are still working. So please don't feel like you need to do one of these every single day. Just do them when you can. Like I said, there's 9, so just try to finish them or do them when you can. The first thing I really want everybody to look at each week is the assignment overview, or the activity overview, really. So when you click on that, it'll show you what the activity is. In each assignment overview, I have a little message, I have the date, I also have all the activities listed for that week. So let's say next week you get done with all the activities and then you're like, oh hey, we missed 3 from the week before. You can go back and look at what those activities were. So let's kind of go through one. Even though I already did this one, we'll just do it again. Here we have the title, and then it also gives the directions with some symbols so that it makes it more accessible for kiddos. There are also verbal directions as well, so if you're not able to read the directions to your kid, I've already read them, so that kind of helps a bit. So then you'd hit the green add a response button. That's the first direction. So this is kind of what the template looks like when you first log into this activity. You can also go back and see the instructions again. So let's say you forgot, you logged in, you're like, holy moly, I have no idea what to do. The kids can go back in, read the directions, or they can play the instructions. Then right here, so the first thing that I wanted you to do for this activity is take a picture. So you can either upload a photo or you can take a photo. So uploading photo would be from your saved photo drive, and taking a photo would just be like a right then thing. It doesn't save the photo. So let's try that. Oh, look at me. Perfect. Okay, so then once you get in here, you can also resize the image like this. Then you click off of it. There's going to be these 3 dots, so you could unlock this if you'd like so that you can't move it, type of thing. Let's see, I forgot what my instructions were. Take a picture of yourself, put the picture in the picture frame, write 3 things you missed about our class or school. Perfect. So first thing I'm going to use is the pencil, and I'm just going to draw a heart. You can also change the color of the heart over here. If you want to change the thickness, try the different pens. I like the pen the most because it's thicker. You can change the color again. If I wanted to do a magic eraser, ooh, beautiful. And then there's an eraser if I didn't like any of what I just drew. There's also a chance to type, so just type that, beautiful. And then if you hit those 3 little dots again, it will take you to this, and you can click a different font. You can change how it looks and choose a different color. So there's a lot of different capabilities for the students to edit what they're doing. There's also an opportunity to record themselves. I love hearing their voices and their explanations for things. So over here is a little microphone. Sorry, it's cut off a little bit. And then it'll say you can type, talk, draw, or text. So it'll record you doing that. I'm just going to exit the recording because I do not need that. Over here, there's 3 little dots again. You can add shapes. So let's see, I'm gonna add this guy in there. Perfect, beautiful. And then you can change the size, like I said before. You can also add a background. So here's that. The kids love the rainbow one, so got a rainbow background too. So there's a lot of different editing materials you can do too. I'm just gonna move this over for a second. On the bottom here, you're gonna see that you can add a page. Right here, you kind of can't see it, but it's right there, add a page. So if you do, then it'll show over here that you have 1 page, 2 pages. They can write something extra. On this activity, it doesn't say to do that, so it probably wouldn't. But there are some activities where you're going to need that extra space to do it. Once I'm done and I'm like, hey, this is awesome, I just want to turn it in, you can hit the green arrow, uploads it, and then all of a sudden it goes into your journal so that you can see there's my 2 posts. Yes, so students will have access to that. If you guys do have any questions, please let me know. I do know that this is new, it's confusing, it can be overwhelming. Just let me know and I can definitely help you out for that. I just want to walk through another activity really quick. Some of the activities, the students will be able to move things. So I'll just try this one really quick, add a response. So this is the move tool right here. Then they can, oops, not what I wanted. Then they can move the E to wherever they think it goes. So some of them do have moving capabilities as well. Okay. Like I said, if you do have any questions, please let me know. I think that's all I have for you guys right now. But yeah, have fun.